Today's project involves a $1.25 floating shelf from Dollar Tree. Just a simple plastic shelf. $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And what I've done, I've taken it and added a few things. Mainly my metal tape, some cheap wood, and my embossing folders, and created something that's fairly unique. And what it is, it's a cell phone holder. Put some foil in the back, a little angle bracket there. And it will hold your cell phone either horizontally or stand her up, and it will hold your phone vertically. So, came up with this idea a few days ago and started working on it, and it turned out pretty good. Trying out some different textures on different parts of it. The old hot glue gun and some scrap wood. Just simple. Those seem to make the best projects. So this is how it is now. Here's the first one that I built, different embossing folder. And my brand is House of Robinson. And it's not quite as fancy because I've been working out the kinks. But it turned out fairly nice. And it also holds your cell phone, but I can't stand it up because I didn't modify it yet like that. But it turned out pretty good. And I can use these as gifts. So, just very simple, something nice, I believe. Just experimenting. It ain't perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. So, but it starts off as a plain floating shelf from Dollar Tree. Makes a great cell phone holder. And been experimenting with texture, the metal first and then embossing. I think that's going to work out pretty good. So we'll continue experimenting with that. It's bye for now. Bye.